Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindaro's channel, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or enable Bluetooth connections on Android device. So all you have to do is to open up your phone settings on this menu and then click. And then once you open up your phone settings, then you need to select this connections on this menu and then click. And then here now at connections, then you will see this Wi-Fi connections. Underneath here, then you will see this Bluetooth. So Bluetooth connections on Android allow your phone to communicate wirelessly with other Bluetooth enabled devices over short distances, typically up to 10 meters or more, depending on the device. So common uses of Bluetooth connections include connecting wireless earbuds or headphones, pairing speakers, connecting smartwatches and fitness trackers, using wireless keyboards, sharing files, connecting to your car's infotainment system. To turn on Bluetooth connections on your device, all you have to do is to toggle to on positions the button here to right corner, and you will see now it's already enabled. Otherwise, if you want to turn off, then you need to toggle the button one time to left corner. It's may grayed out and it's already disabled. So it's very easy to turn on or turn off your Bluetooth device on your mobile device. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching.